In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in Word. If you've ever needed to quickly convert part of a document, or even an entire file, into another language, Word has a built-in translation feature that can make the process much easier. This is especially useful when you're reviewing multilingual content, preparing documents for international audiences, or simply trying to understand text written in another language. To get started, open your Word document and look at the top ribbon menu. From there, click on the Review tab above. This tab contains several tools related to editing, comments, proofreading, and language options, so it's where you'll find the translation feature as well. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan across the ribbon carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your version of Word. Once you're in the Review tab, click on Translate. This opens Word's translation options and gives you access to the built-in language tools. In some versions, this may appear as a button with a drop-down menu, so after clicking it, you may need to choose from the available translation-related options. Word is designed to make this simple, but it helps to know that the exact appearance may differ a little between desktop and web versions. After that, select whether you want to translate a selection, the entire document, or adjust preferences. If you choose selection, Word will translate only the specific text you've highlighted. This is a great option when you only need to convert a sentence, paragraph, or small section without affecting the rest of the document. If you choose document, Word will work with the full file, which is helpful when you need a broader translation. And if you choose preferences, you can manage language settings and customize how Word handles translation going forward. As a helpful tip, before translating a selection, make sure the exact text you want is highlighted clearly. That can save time and prevent confusion. Also, after Word generates a translation, it's always a good idea to review the result for tone, grammar, and context, especially if the document is formal or important. Automatic translation is convenient, but a quick review can help ensure the meaning comes across accurately. And that's all it takes to translate text in Word. Once you know where to find the Review